Madilim na. Di makita. From the outside. Bon. Bon from outside. Passes to his teammates. Intercepted by Tolets. Tolets to his teammates. Number 10. Make a try. No good. Marcos to Lino, make a try. No good. Rebound by Bakulo.
Dennis.
Long pass to Dennis. Dennis make a good shot. Ay, Sam. Alan dribbling the ball. Make a layup. No good. Rebound by Bakulo. With a foul. Alan with a foul. So may foul. Danny to Tolets. Tolets looking for his teammates. Back to Danny. Danny make a try. Good shot. Galing ni Danny Ball from the outside to Bakulo. Bakulo dribbling ball looking for his teammates. Now he's making a left and right combination. Passes to Dennis. Danny intercepted the ball. Make a layup. No good. Lino make a try. No good. Rebound by Bakulo.
Mukha yung pinapasalo
Bakulo dribbling the ball. Make a fake pass and make a layup. Good shot. Galing Yan ang mga player. So let's from the outside. To Lino. Lino looking for his teammate. To Marcos. Marcos make a try. No good. Rebound by Bakulo. Bakulo to Bon. Now Bon dribbling the ball. Make a shot. No good. Intercepted by Tolets. Tolets to Danny. Danny passes to Marcos. Marcos to Alan. Alan make a shot. No good. Rebound by Lino. Lino make a shot. No good. Marcos intercepted ball and make a try. No good. Galing, ganda. Sige. Ganda na laro. Nolan from the outside.
Yan.
Passes to Dennis. Dennis looking for his teammates. Make a left and right combination. Make a jump shot. No good. Marcos.
Taas mo na.
Taas mo na.
Masarap pala sa lahat ng mga taga-Argentine boys na
Ayan.
lalaro ngayon Patune up din to ng group C sa group D.
Group C at saka Group D.
Ito pala yung aming commissioner.
Okay, commissioner.
John Javier. Number 1.
John Javier, commissioner of the game. Ayan, kuha alas Ayan, mababati ng magandang gabi sa inyo mga kabayan. Danny to Tolets. Good point. John Bakulo to Bon. Bon looking for his teammates. Pass back to Bakulo. Bakulo to Lisio point. 3 points. Graper. Danny from outside to Marcos. Marcos dribbling the ball, looking for his teammates. Lino stepping out. From the outside, Bon to Nolan. Nolan to Dennis. Dennis make a shot. Good. Rebound by Alan. Alan dribbling the ball. He's looking for his teammates. Make a good layup. But they are pala foul. Rebound by Bakulo. Assist to Dennis. Dennis make a good layup. 2 points. Galing Ginanon pa Talagang umilalim pa. Ginanon ko lang. Parang ako nung araw. Ganyan ako nung araw Ganyan na. Pala sila dealer ng leche plan. Kung gusto nyo kumuha, ayan. Mga kayo dyan. Mag-PM lang kayo. Order lang. The outside. To Nolan. Nolan back to Bon. Bon dribbling the ball. Make a try.
Dumaan pa yung Tapos ng group B.
Intercepted by John Baculo. Baculo to Dennis. Dennis make a layup. Good shot! Bad shot pala. Bad shot. Ang ganda na sana eh. Marcos. Looking for a stand. Two Tulits. Tulits me. Jump shot. Good shot.
Tapos ng group B. Tumanan naman.
Ang nagkalaro. Group C. Ang Group D. Tulits make a shot. Good shot! Galing! Galing ni Tulits ah. Roland from right side. Jun Baculo. Subon make a shot. Good shot! Galing! Subon.
Dito magtatawag ng pera na.
Alam.
Alahol.
Marcos to Johnny. Johnny to Tulits. Tulits make a try. Good. Another try. Oh, good again. Rebound by John Baculo. Baculo. First teammates make a layup. Good shot! Galing ah! Wala na? Wala na! Kalas! Congratulations sa mananalo. Team C.